Hey Flip Nation, Flip Man, flipping out over here in Chandler, Arizona. So this has been a rental property for 15 years for me, and I'm turning it into my next Airbnb. Real excited. It's gonna be a 30-day minimum stay in a gated community. We're making great progress, about 10 days into it. Cleaned out all the trash, all the carpet, did the interior painting, and tomorrow we're gonna have the flooring guys come in and do a nice wood laminate floor throughout. So right now, guys, I did take down all the old fans, all the old lighting, which has been in here for many years. We're gonna upgrade it. So I'm gonna head, personally myself, I buy all my fixtures because I like to pick them out. I'm gonna be heading over to Lowe's and pick out fans, lighting, and then I'll come back to the property today, put them back where the handyman will install everything for me tomorrow as far as the fixtures. The gray, and then one side will be the maple color, and you can reverse them. This will be good for the small bedrooms. This one will be for the living room here.
So what are you grabbing everything right here?
So basically all the lighting fixtures and the doorknobs, handles today. Clearance items if you like them. So that's 9C39.
Which one are you planning to get?
For for the small bathroom, I'm gonna get that one right there.
The cube one?
The one is clearance.
Oh, the 25?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see if they have it.
For the bathrooms?
So we just got back from Lowe's, did my Lowe's run this afternoon. Approximately 15 items, spent $1,000, so make sure you guys always put that in your budget. This is for your lighting of a 1,600 square foot home. So I got the 4 fans, I got the sconces, I got the bathroom lighting, all the doorknobs. So I'm gonna leave these here. I'm gonna place them around the house for the handyman, and he'll be putting them in tomorrow. So again, about $1,000. I personally go down and hand select everything. I like my taste in fans and lighting for each property, and it saves me a lot of money.